Buzzards, often misunderstood and underappreciated, are fascinating birds of prey that play a crucial role in our ecosystems. These raptors, known for their soaring flight and keen eyesight, belong to the family Accipitridae and are found in various parts of the world. In this exploration of buzzards, we will dive into a range of interesting and fun facts about these birds, covering their biology, behavior, and the special place they hold in the natural world. First and foremost, it's important to clarify that the term buzzard is used differently in various parts of the world. In North America, buzzard is commonly used to refer to vultures, particularly the turkey vulture. However, in Europe and Asia, buzzard typically refers to birds in the genus Buteo, known for their broad wings and robust bodies. Despite these differences in naming, both groups share similar ecological roles as scavengers and predators. One of the most well-known species of buzzard is the common buzzard, prevalent across Europe and parts of Asia. This bird is known for its variable plumage, which can range from almost pure white to a dark brown, making each individual bird somewhat unique in appearance. This variability can sometimes make identification challenging for birdwatchers and ornithologists alike. Buzzards are primarily known as soaring birds. They have the ability to glide effortlessly for hours, riding thermal currents in the sky. This soaring behavior is not just a mode of travel, it's also a hunting strategy. By soaring high in the sky, buzzards can spot potential prey on the ground with their keen eyesight, which is several times sharper than that of humans. The diet of buzzards is quite varied, reflecting their adaptability to different environments. While they primarily feed on small mammals like voles, mice, and rabbits, they are also known to eat birds, reptiles, insects, and carrion. This varied diet helps them to survive in diverse habitats, from woodlands and farmlands to mountains and moorlands. Buzzards are also known for their distinctive call, often described as a plaintive mewing sound. This call is most commonly heard during the breeding season and is used in communication between mates and to establish territorial boundaries. The call of a buzzard is one of the defining sounds of the countryside in many parts of the world. Breeding behavior in buzzards is particularly interesting. They are generally monogamous birds, with pairs forming strong bonds that can last for many years. During courtship, buzzards perform dramatic aerial displays, including undulating flights and roller coaster dives, which are both a show of strength and a form of communication between the pair. Nesting is another crucial aspect of their life cycle. Buzzards usually build their nests in trees, using sticks and lining them with softer materials. The female typically lays between 2 and 4 eggs, and both parents share the responsibility of incubation and feeding the chicks. The care and effort put into raising their young are vital for the survival of the next generation of buzzards. Interestingly, buzzards have a long lifespan compared to many other birds. In the wild, they can live for around 25 years, with some individuals recorded living even longer. This longevity is quite remarkable, considering the challenges they face, such as habitat loss, persecution, and environmental changes. Migration patterns in buzzards vary depending on the species and their geographical location. Some buzzard species are migratory, traveling long distances between their breeding and wintering grounds, while others are sedentary, remaining in the same area year-round. This adaptability in migration strategies demonstrates their ability to thrive in changing environments and conditions. One of the lesser-known facts about buzzards is their role in controlling rodent populations. By preying on mice, voles, and other small mammals, they help to keep these populations in check, which can be beneficial for agriculture and ecological balance. This predatory role highlights the importance of buzzards in maintaining the health of ecosystems. Buzzards also play a significant role in cultural and spiritual contexts in many societies. In some cultures, they are revered as symbols of freedom and strength. Their impressive flight and hunting skills have inspired countless myths, legends, and artistic representations throughout history. In some Native American traditions, for example, buzzards are seen as carriers of messages between the heavens and the earth, embodying wisdom and insight. The eyesight of buzzards is one of their most remarkable features. Their eyes are highly adapted for spotting prey from great distances, They have a high concentration of rod and cone cells in their retina, which allows them to see in sharp detail and perceive subtle movements on the ground while soaring high in the sky. Buzzards also contribute to the process of nutrient recycling in their habitats. As opportunistic feeders, they often consume carrion, which helps in the breakdown and recycling of dead animal matter. This not only keeps the environment clean, but also prevents the spread of diseases that can occur from decaying carcasses. The mating rituals of buzzards are a sight to behold. These rituals often involve a series of aerial acrobatics, with the birds performing loops, dives, and chases. These displays not only strengthen the pair bond, but also help to establish and maintain territories. In terms of conservation, buzzards have faced challenges in the past, including persecution and habitat loss. However, many buzzard populations have shown remarkable resilience and, in some areas, have even increased in numbers due to conservation efforts and legal protection. This recovery demonstrates the impact of dedicated conservation initiatives. Buzzards are also valuable indicators of environmental health. Changes in their population numbers and distribution can signal shifts in ecological balance, making them important species for environmental monitoring and research. The nesting sites of buzzards are often reused year after year, with some nests being occupied by successive generations. These sites can become quite large and complex over time as new materials are added each breeding season. The attachment of buzzards to their nesting sites is a testament to their territorial nature. In terms of social structure, buzzards are generally solitary or live in pairs, especially outside the breeding season. However, in areas with abundant food sources, such as during migrations or in winter roosts, they can sometimes be seen in larger groups. These gatherings are a unique opportunity to observe the social dynamics of these typically solitary birds. The flight feathers of buzzards are another aspect of their anatomy that deserves attention. These feathers are long and broad, allowing for efficient soaring and maneuverability in the air. The feathers also undergo molting, a process where old feathers are replaced with new ones. This is essential for maintaining their flying ability and overall health. Buzzards have also been the subject of various scientific studies, particularly in the field of ornithology. Researchers have studied their hunting strategies, migratory patterns, and the effects of environmental changes on their populations. These studies provide valuable insights into the lives of these birds and help inform conservation strategies to ensure their continued survival. In addition to their ecological roles, buzzards have an aesthetic value that contributes to the biodiversity and richness of our natural landscapes. The sight of a buzzard soaring against a clear blue sky or perched majestically atop a tree is a reminder of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Climate change is a significant challenge for buzzards as it affects their prey availability, migration patterns, and habitat conditions. Understanding how buzzards adapt to these changes is crucial for predicting the impacts of global climate shifts on wildlife and ecosystems. The feather patterns of buzzards are not only beautiful, but also serve a functional purpose. The patterns provide camouflage while the birds are perched or nesting, helping them blend into their surroundings and avoid detection by predators or prey. Buzzards are also known to engage in playful behavior, particularly younger birds. Observations have shown them playing with objects, engaging in mock fights, and chasing each other in flight. This play behavior is thought to be important for developing hunting skills and strengthening social bonds. If you learned something from this video, please leave a comment below, click the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.